So today, the pair of geezers went metal detecting. Rich came up with his metal detector and spent the day out in the soccer field, football field, whatever you want to call it, here at the Abbey. And so we're about to reveal our booty. I got first find.
You might mention that this is your first time doing this too.
Oh yeah, first time that yeah. So we've had a good day. I'm gonna feel it for the next few, I'm sure. Switch the camera over here.
Good exercise.
If it's gonna let me. Okay, so now we're going through our stash, and Mr. Rich got a whole bunch of stuff there. He actually probably paid for his batteries today.
Maybe.
But what you got there, Rich?
I got stuff. I got quarters. I got nickels, dimes, pennies. I got a half a penny.
Yeah, how do you get that?
I don't know.
And it's a modern penny. It's not like it was,
Somebody just cut it in half. This is a relic from the Abbey.
A room key from somewhere.
Or a locker key.
Or something.
I'm thinking maybe a locker key. It's a number 51, maybe from Headley.
Yeah, it might be.
I don't know. It's been in the ground in a while. It's way down there. So,
Cool.
penny. Got that. Got. I thought this was a spinner thing.
Yeah, like a modern day fidget or something.
Yeah, but it doesn't fidget. Maybe it's. Oh, yeah, no. I think it's. Maybe it's just froze. Don't know. It could be one of them.
Yeah, but look at the logo on top. If anybody can identify that, let us know. We don't know what the hell it is.
Yep.
Pretty cool.
Anywho, that's my haul of priceless treasure.
Okay. He did a lot better money-wise than me.
Not necessarily, because we have an unknown.
Yep, I dug up this little pouch. We're going to open this up because it's been sewn shut, and you can look at it and you can see how it looks like there's little coins inside of it. And I dug that up, so I'm hoping.
And it's made of leather too, huh?
Yeah, I'm hoping we're gonna find out what's in it live here. But I've got I got 1 quarter, a couple of dimes, and a whole bunch of
Don't forget your
corroded pennies. And then yeah, I found one coin from Costa Rica, and it's like aluminum. It's really really lightweight. And you found one, a Mexican coin or something?
Mexican coin.
Yeah, it's like.
I think it's a Mexican coin. Didn't read it. So.
Yeah, we don't know what that is.
If you look on the back, though, that looks like the Mexican logo on the back.
Yeah, it does.
So I think it's 50 centavos.
50 centavos. All right.
So,
Enough for a taco.
ooh, that sounds good right now.
Yeah, and I got a brass washer that I got by the sister's house, an old roofing nail. This was kind of funny because Rich let me use his pen pointer, and I wouldn't have found that little guy had it not been for that pen pointer, and it's brass. So now let's go with the big reveal and find out exactly what we have in this pouch.
Dun, dun, dun.
Dun, dun, dun. So we're gonna open it up without opening my fingers, I hope.
Try not to. Could be left by pioneers when they were passing through here.
That's right. Filled with gold. Gold nuggets, I say. Gold nuggets. All right, I got one end open. That's all we need.
Maybe.
I think it'll work. All right, guys. Been in the ground for a long time. It's soggy and moist and wet.
It is going.
It is.
Dang. All
Pennies.
Is it all pennies? It is all pennies. Let's see if there's any old pennies.
Oh,
Yeah,
dang. What's that one? That
What's
looks
the dates on these memorials? Hi, Archie. You gonna help us? I don't see anything that looks like weeds.
Ain't that old. Well, but I found a bag of money. Hey, it counts, doesn't it?
That's right. A sack of pennies is better than a sack of dirt.
And that's pretty wild that it was buried in this little leather pouch. Well, dang.
I don't have my...
So that's what was in my little pouch there.
It could have been gold, could have been anything.
A bag of money. I had 56 cents, so I'll count it out and let you guys know afterwards what I actually came out with, and then I'll tell you how old the oldest penny I have is. But there we have it. It was a bag of money, only pennies. Great day, man. Enjoyed it, had a lot of fun. We'll be doing this again.
It's like 1971. These may all be coppers.
Yeah, real.
Anything before 82 or 82 and before is a copper. I need my magnifying glass.
And even in that leather pouch, the fertilizer and stuff got to them. Because they're not as corroded as some of the other ones, but they are copper clean. So there you have it, guys. So next time I'll probably maybe just do a Twitch feed and set up a tripod and just let it
2003.
let it run. So yeah, 2003 isn't that old. So
somebody did that recently. Like I said, this is an 80. That's an 80. That's a copper. Anyway, somebody made, just like you said, made a hacky sack out of it. I don't know.
Yeah, or something.
But it's cool.
Cool.
You found a stash. You found a hoard. You found the ancient hoard of pennies.
There we go. All right, guys. Well, I'll see you in the next one.